Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone has at least 20% battery and the USB cable supports data. On the phone, open Settings and enable Hotspot and tethering. Choose USB tethering. Once done, connect the cable to your computer's USB data port. The phone may prompt for permission, so accept it. You do this now to establish the physical link, because without data-capable cable and permission, the OS won't recognize the network interface. Once the phone is connected, you check your computer to confirm it detected a new USB network adapter. You'll typically see USB Ethernet or similar. If the adapter is disabled, enable it in Network Settings and ensure Automatic IP (DHCP) is selected so the phone assigns an address. Make sure to allow any driver installation prompts. If the OS does not auto-configure, install phone drivers from the manufacturer or use built-in system drivers. This resolves most recognition issues. You finish by verifying the link. Open a browser and load a page or ping 8 to confirm packets flow. If the speed is poor, try switching the phone from 5G to 4G or move to a stronger signal and test a different USB port. If nothing connects, toggle USB tethering off and on, reboot both phone and computer, and reseat the cable. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues caused by driver or handshake failures, so try it before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.